Starting in 3, 2, 1. All right, Maximus. Sexy Maxis scored the green right off the start. Sexy Maxis go for another. They drop it in the goal for a quick bonus. Maximus pushing some cubes off. This is sexy, they say. Another green in the goal. Sexy Maxis trying to get another bonus as you get 35 seconds to now switch drivers. Sexy Maxis getting another cube into that goal. Pushing off a red, off of that post. All reds have been pushed off the post. You get a 25-second, you must switch if you have it. We've got Maximus trying to grab some greens. Sexy Maxis driving around the field. As we get to the end of the match, we'll see if any of the teams can pull off the park. We have 10 seconds left. Sexy Maxis go for a last-minute score. Can they get it in time? 5 seconds left. 3, 2, 1. Q71, here on the Curiosity Field, we have 14100A, the Turtles.